I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is a quick tutorial of the 13 by 4 10-inch bob from Nova Luxury Hair. So I've already started by gluing the lace wig with the Glamour Spray Ultimate Mega Hold glue, and I actually lost that clip where I sprayed the glue. And right now I just put on the band and I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. So while I wait for the wig to dry, I prep it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use the IKT wax stick, and then I'm gonna use my hot comb to make sure that the front part of the wig is nice and flat, and also to take away any flyaways that might have been, you know, at the top of the wig.
What I can do, what I can do. We ride around love, ride around the truth, ride around the dick. Ride around the slap, me on the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Ride around the world.
So that is the glue that I used when I was laying the lace. So I also like to spray it just before I put on the hot comb, or just before I go through the hair with a hot comb rather, and that just helps so that it holds it all in and make sure that the parting is nice and flat. And then I'm also going to go in with the hot comb in the front part of the wig, and this just makes it look more realistic, and it just gives it that little bob in front of the wig.
Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to where I feel so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
So after it's dried a little bit, or at least for about 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove the wig band, and it looks like that. So far so good. And the next step is going to be to cut the lace. So I use these scissors first to just divide the lace into sections. It makes it so much easier to cut. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller pair of scissors to cut it. It's more precise and I just feel more comfortable. You can also use an eyebrow razor blade. So whichever one works for you and whichever one you're comfortable with, just make sure that you take your time, because the one thing about lace is that you cannot get it back. So as I'm cutting the lace, I'm also going in the zigzag form. It's also important to follow the shape of the lace as you have glued it down. This is so much easier. I know some people cut the lace first and then glue it down, but I prefer to glue it down so that I can see where to cut. And it's also quick to note and very important to note that while you cut it, don't cut it too straight. Just go a little bit of a zigzag shape so that it looks a little bit more natural. So after cutting the lace, I'm just gonna go and do my sideburns. I don't usually do my edges in front. It's mostly sideburns as I prefer a clean install, but you can also do that. I do my edges from time to time, but not all the time. And then I'm gonna go with this rat tail comb and a bit of concealer on the end of the comb and just make sure that I define my parting. This is such an easy, simple method and very precise to define that middle part. And then finally, the final touches, I'm going to go in with the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray and just spray all over the wig just before I add a bit of heat. Okay, it's actually not a bit of heat, it's a lot of heat. That's why you need that heat protectant spray to protect your wig. And it smells so good, leaves the wig nice and soft and silky. As you can see, it's giving it that bounce as I move my head around. And because it's a bob wig, I obviously do the little swoop at the end. Finally, I'm going to go in with the serum. I'm also selling them in my basic installation kit. I'm going to link the video where I spoke about my installation kit in the cards up on the screen, so please do click it and view it. But yeah, you guys can check out Nova Luxury Hair's page. We're also selling that hair serum, so I'm just going to apply it. It's going to give the hair a nice shine and a silky feel to it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and do the final touches on the wig. This is not really necessary, but I like to just go in just one last time with a hot comb, wax stick, and just make sure that there are no flyaways. And then finally, I'm going to go in with some powder on the lace just to make it blend with my natural skin tone, and also to just take away that little white cast. Another thing you can use to take away the white cast is the spritz from ISO Plus. It's honestly perfect for making it blend in. And there you have it, guys. That is the end of the install. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful and useful. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with anyone that might find it useful. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.